Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron at the end of another bearish day on the market. This is March the 28th. I'd like to talk briefly about a trade that we had on TVIX, which is the Volatility Index ETF, which is 2x leveraged. Actually kind of goes the opposite of the SPX, or the S&P 500 index. Quick lesson on that is the VIX is the volatility index, and it tends to go up as the market is dropping. And the TVIX is 2 times the VIX, so it goes up twice as fast as the SPX goes down. So this was the setup. This was just after 11:30 this morning, and the market had been slowly dropping, but now it is at a point where, if you notice here on the SPX, it had been coming down at a low basing, coming down and low basing, coming down and low basing. Now at the 1406 area, which also was back here an hour earlier, was also the previous low. If it broke that, I wanted to go long the TVIX, which, as you see here, has been steadily climbing as the market had been dropping. So let's go back and forth here and see how this played out. I had my order set just above that line, and if this broke down, that meant this would break out and I would be long. Boom! Look at that, and on there and over here it popped up, and I am now long at $7.48. Kept going up, even though this is low basing here at the 1405. And now it came up, now curling back down. There she goes down. My TVIX is going back up. Do you see how these are working now in opposite of each other? Look here, now it's starting to take off again. That was a nice bull pullback play as well. You could have gotten in right about here. And look at that market fall. Now it's down to 1403. Let's see if that holds. Well, this is how high basing over here. So I'm going to take a part of my profits. And on the next candle, I got filled at 775 for 3.6%. The market continued to drop. Well, it did kind of stall here at the 1403. And then boom, it went down again. And look what happens on the TVIX. It pops up. And it popped up again. Let's see what happened on the market. Boom, look at that. Dropped all the way down here to the 1400. 1400 is a huge line of support, psychological and otherwise. Let's see what happened on the TVIX. Yeah, it kind of now it's just stalled right here. It just kind of sat there for the longest time. And it pulled back up just a little bit, so the TVIX had pulled down just a little bit. And coming down a little bit, and then boom, it pops up. And that may have been a pre-indicator of what was going to happen next. Because look what happened. Boom, this sliced right through the 1400 down, all the way down here, then pulled back up. And this is starting to pull back. I pulled my stop up from here all the way up to here, and now this is slowly coming back up, and this is slowly fading up on the TVIX, and then it came out hard and took me out on my stop here at 791 for 5.7%. And it did come all the way back then to the 1400 and came just above that for a while. So for this trade on the TVIX, it was a total of 4.65% in 28 minutes. These are the kind of trades that we're doing in the Rockstar Room, and we'd love to have you come trade with us. 30 days for free. Just come to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. When you go to the chat room page and down below, you can sign up for your free trial. Just remember that trading with emotions will kill you, both the positive ones as well as the negative ones.